Hi guys, here I am at Home Goods. Oh my goodness, look at the glam around me, guys. Let's take a look. Look at these candelabras. Guys, oh my goodness. I'm absolutely loving this. Okay, so this is $39.99 for one. Look at that. So they have two of them. I'm loving that. So this here is $39.99 for this. Wow, look at that lantern, guys. I don't know which direction to go in, okay? So let's go over here. Guys, I can't believe, I just don't know where to go. Okay, so that jug, I can't reach the price, and there's two wine glasses. And then if we come over here, look at these. Isn't that gorgeous? This is like coastal decor. I can't read the price to that. And look at this. This one is $24.99. Then we come down here and look at these glasses. So these glasses are $2.99 each. This is $3.99 for this one. So yeah, these are the same price in a different design top. And then these are like little coastal dishes. Let me see. So for this pack here, four, this is $7.99. That's absolutely gorgeous. And look at this. So this is $19.99. Then you have these glasses here, and each one of them are $2.99. Absolutely gorgeous. Guys, this is all coastal decor. So this bowl right here is $16.99. Then you have that fish back there. I don't dare reach for. These are $7.99. And look at the starfish. Guys, somebody open this. Look at the starfish. So these dishes come in a pack, guys, and so it's $7.99 for a pack of four. And then you have these over here. These over here are $7.99 for four. Isn't that beautiful? That's what they look like, guys. You have those big jugs on the bottom. I don't dare move those, guys. And look at the apothecary jars. Am I saying that right? Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Oh my goodness. So this jug this one here is $5.99. Then you have this one here for $24.99, guys. This one. Then you have this one. This is glass and it's heavy. I don't dare pick it up. I don't want to guess, but I don't want to knock it down. Look at this cake stand. Guys, this cake stand is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm absolutely loving that. That is so gorgeous. Look at that. So then here's a picture. This one here is $6.99. Then look at this, guys. This is a mason jar, like spoon rest for $3.99, and it's clear. I'm loving that. So then they have the jars along the bottom, guys. I just want to show you. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. So then we want to come over here. Look at what I'm staring at, guys. Do you see this? Oh, guys, I love this stuff. $12.99. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this stuff up here. Gorgeous, guys. Let's see. I think we went through this section. Let's look at it again. Look at this. I don't think I've seen this before. So this is $7.99, and then look at this. This one here is $7.99 also. So I guess the bigger one is $9.99. Then you have these. Then you have these, $16.99. I like that. And look at the size of those jugs. And then these here, look at them, with the matching cake plate over there. And then this here, guys, look at this. So this one here is $12.99. Now we have this piece over here. I guess it's from the spring collection. This is $14.99. Then you have this. This is an unusual type of a bowl. This is reduced to $9. Then you have this one here. The top is over here, guys, because it doesn't fit on the shelf. This is $9.99. You gotta be careful with this. I don't want to break it. Then look at this one, $16.99. And look at that bowl in the back. Guys, I'm gonna move this up here. This one here, look at that. Then you have this pretty color here. Isn't that's gorgeous? That's $2.99 a piece. And if you look at these, doesn't that remind you of that lotus plant? So that's a pack of 4 multicolor, and that's $7.99. Then they have some more of those baskets in the back, and then they have the matching cups to go with that cake. That's like a cake stand or a souffle type of a decor piece there. Then they have this one. That's $9.99. Okay, look at the size of this mason jar, guys. So you have this one here. This is $12.99. I think that's crystal. And look at this bowl. This bowl right here, isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? So this is $59.99, guys. That is absolutely gorgeous. Then you have this set right here. Isn't that so unusual? So this one here is $9.99. And then you have this plate right here for $7.99. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And you know, these guys are my favorite. Look at that. Let me see if I can bring one up. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm going to place it down because this is heavy. So this is $16.99, guys. Just want to show you. Look at those candle holders back there. I can't reach them. And then you have these candle holders here. So these are $19.99. All over here behind me is the candles. And they are absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at the size of that cage. Isn't that beautiful? What a statement piece. $59.99. Then they have these candles over here, and I just needed to come over here to show you the size of this shell. Do you see this? Wow. I would love this piece. $19.99, guys. That looks so much more expensive. Hand done. And look at this Rae Dunn candle right next to it. $12.99 with the wooden cover, and it says Faith. I love that. So if we come behind me over here, you have some more of these dry decor pieces, and there's some candle holders. So these are $14.99, and the taller one is $16.99. So above that, you have some lanterns, guys. And then here are some candles. That one says Island Coconut. And where's the price? $7.99. That's very pretty. And then this one I think is a candle too. Yes, Desert Sage. Look at the size of this. And I think that's a concrete vase. Very beautiful. And look at the size of these tapered candles, guys. Look at that. Big Dipper Waxworks. It's 100% beeswax. Look at the size of these candles, or is it my imagination, guys? Look. Absolutely beautiful, guys. So these are $4.99. These are $5.99. These European tapered candles are $7.99, and these are $14.99. Then you have this for $9.99. So then you have some more candle holders over here. Look at that one. Absolutely beautiful, guys. So this piece right here is $14.99. Let's see. So then we have this piece here. I think this is a whale. That's really pretty, guys. $19.99. And then look at this. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods just to check out some of the glam decor. And I will see you guys in another video.